what are some of the key things that law firms should keep in mind when coming up with a game plan for their paid advertising?
I would say number one is setting realistic goals. You need to, um, figure out everything from your budget to your monthly case goals to what your target client acquisition cost needs to be. This is typically something that we're helping new law firm clients with, or firms that haven't spent on digital advertising before. You have to be really, really intentional about what you're trying to achieve with your digital advertising investment, first and foremost. Secondly, I would say you need to prioritize your budget on the right tactics. I would not recommend to a small personal injury firm that they spend $50,000 a month on YouTube or Facebook ads. Like that's a poor prioritization of budget. Really, what they need to focus on is more direct response tactics to start. So, like Google pay per click or retargeting before investing in something like video ads or a billboard or a TV campaign. So there's like a pecking order to where they should be putting their budget, and that pecking order basically aligns with what the marketing funnel is. I talk about marketing tactics as either being bottom of funnel, middle of funnel, or top of funnel. And for a law firm just starting out, they really should be focusing their budget and their efforts on those bottom of funnel tactics. And then the third thing I would say, as you're developing your digital advertising game plan is, do you have an effective intake operation in place? Because if you don't, you are not ready to spend any money on advertising, full stop. Like if you don't have data on your conversion rates, you don't have a team that you can trust will be able to handle an influx in leads, you are not ready to spend money on advertising. And I've seen so much scar tissue in the industry from firms that have been spending tens of thousands of dollars a month on ads, and they're wondering why they're not getting cases. And you peel back the onion a couple layers, and it's like your intake team is not doing their job, or you're missing calls, or people are calling into the firm and you're not deploying empathy on that call and really establishing a relationship with them. So I'd say intake is a common thing that is missed, and it's something that really needs to be thought through and assessed before you think about investing in digital advertising.